Yes. Yeah, man.
Why it's a good feeling. I mean, first thing you want to do is you want to give thanks to all those who helped you get there. Family also sent me to tennis lessons. You got Coach Arthur, Coach Campbell, Coach Wayne Lindsay. Boy, there's so many people to thank, but it's just a good feeling in general, just to come actually realize that dream of winning that trophy here, you know? I mean, my game is to try to keep the points as short as possible. His game is to keep them as long as possible. So it really clash. And so, boy, we just had to try battle. I mean, on a different day, anything could have happened. So we're glad that on a big day like this, came through on top.
Well, the first set started out, I was a little bit tense. Kind of got a little bit of traction in the first set. Won it. Thought I was going to run away with the second set, but congrats to my opponent. He stepped up, played really, really well. In the third set, kind of was out of it physically, but you kind of have to give credit to your opponent. He stepped up again, so congrats to him.
And how you feel about how you've been progressing in the game so far?
Well, based on my trajectory, the first event I entered, I was in quarterfinals, and I stepped up to semis. I'm now in the finals. I'm a finalist, so hopefully next time I can bring home a trophy.
Hats off to our opponents. They're always tough to beat. They're like the double specialists. And this is something that we wanted for a really long time. We just never got to the finals a lot of times when they made it to the finals. So, I enjoyed it today. Really enjoyed it. And I did it with my best friend, Mr. Life is good.
Yannick, how you felt about it?
I felt really good. I was just telling Brian that we waited 2 years for this match. They beat us in the final. Very, very close match. And we just wanted to play them again. So we came out with a strategy. We stick to it. They fought well, but we executed on the crucial points.